Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Luke Gamer, and you guys are obviously the Gamer Game. Today we're going to be playing Roblox. I don't know what game I'm going to be playing yet, but I'm going to be playing Roblox. So I know, probably play some, I don't know, YouTuber Tycoon. So yeah. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, turn post notifications on, and leave a like rating down below. And turn post notifications on so you never miss a video. Let's get it. You guys also want to friend me on Roblox? My username is hello Roblox noob penis with a C. Okay. Let's get it. So guys, here we are. Touch the claim. Oh, hell no. I am Dan TDM. Good job. Flexing on these haters. I used to have a big building, but it didn't save, sadly. Subscribe. Also, delete your Fortnite account. Okay. Okay, I'm in the PewDiePie Tycoon. I'm in the Dan TDM. I used to be in that one. Guava juice. Guava juice. Guava juice, man. Roblox penis. It's an amazing name. Okay, guys. Next video, which should probably be 2 days from now, I'm going to be doing a Q&A, so leave comments down below, some questions you guys want me to answer for my Q&A. I'll also be shouting out your YouTube channel down below if you do. So make sure you go down below and do that right now. I'm Dan TDM, boy. Hi, Cash. Just watch that go up for a minute. Oof gang, oof gang, oof gang. Oh my god, I'm about to have $1. I have $1. Family gaming. Everyone except me has had 2 and 3 deaths. The lighting won't be that good because yesterday I accidentally tripped over the light cord and it smashed all over the ground. So I hardly got any sleep last night. I saw a spider and I was scared to go back to sleep. Just kidding. But I hardly got any sleep. What the? Why did I buy that? It's a waste. Dan TDM posters. Wait, so there would just be floating posters? Hell yeah. That'd be cool. My house used to be one more story above that. Pretty cool. Yep, it used to be, to the left. It used to be that, what you just saw on screen. Ow, what the hell? We had swimming lessons today. This kid in my class chopped my foot open. He pushed me. I tripped and my foot cut open. It hurt. When I hopped into the pool because there's chlorine, it hurt so badly. Oh! Yeet. Let's go in first person. Why not? It's like my character's invisible. Hi, 12 dollars. What's poppin'? You're a granddad trap. What the hell? I like going on these. It's really fun. 3. Let me try and run on it. Oof gang, oof gang, oof gang, oof gang. Hey, I'm off. Boys. Oof gang, oof gang, oof gang. I'm gonna get a green screen and photo cameras. I'm gonna put a camera up there. No, up there. Yep, up there. And I'm gonna put a camera up there and there, so I could get both different camera angles. And I'm probably gonna get some LED lights to make my setup better. It's gonna be cool. It's so boring just waiting for money. I'm gonna have a second episode on this. Oof, gang. Go to settings. There are hardly any people in this game. Normally I used to record Roblox. The first Roblox video I did, I recorded it from that. So you ready? I'm playing the oof sound. What's happening? Okay. Ching ching. I'm rich. Hooray. What? Oh, I'm lucky. I didn't buy that. Okay, I'm just gonna wait and wait and wait. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Sadly, my computer accidentally turned off. I lost my... Piss off, I'm trying to do an outro, bro. So my laptop turned off and I couldn't get back into the world. I had a lot of money. Probably about as much as that guy. And it just logged off. So I guess I'll end the video here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn post notifications on so you never miss a video. Make sure you give a like rating down below. Also guys, I'm doing a Q&A. If you guys have already heard me say this, I'm doing a Q&A. So next video, in about 2 days time, I'm going to read all your questions and I'll answer them in a YouTube video. So yep, put some questions down below and I will answer them, and I will shout your channel out down, link in the description in the next video. If you guys enjoy, leave a like rating down below. See you all later. Peace.